So whenever you are editing a video in DaVinci Resolve, you should take care of a few things. For example, whenever you are exporting the video, then you shouldn't choose this option, individual clips. Accidentally you may choose that, which can lead to a lot of trouble. So what you would notice is that whenever you choose single clip, it will show you this line as kind of grayish whitish, and if you will choose individual, then it will show you orange. So that is one of the ways of differentiating between them. So what happens when you choose single clip is that when you have large number of clips, those are exported as a single video file, which is the ideal intent of any video editor, that you would want a single video out of the 100 clips that you have. Now if you will accidentally choose individual clips, then as it says, each of those clips will be exported differently or separately, and there'll be a lot of video clips to manage. So that could be your intended intention, but most likely you would want a merged export. So yeah, so do that. And if you have chosen individual clips, then you have to also use or choose this option, use unique file names, or else what will happen is all those video clips which are getting exported will keep on getting written. So let's say you are having 200 clips. Now it will export first clip, and then again it will rename it as the same clip's name. So it keeps on repeating that. So for 10 hours of video editing, you will just get one or two video clips, because it those who are getting overwritten one by one, over and over for 10 hours. So that can even damage your hard disk. And if not that, at least you will be wasting a lot of time, because you will not get all the clips separately. You will just get a couple of clips. So that you have to keep in mind. So these two realizations came to us in a way when we exported one video which took about 8 hours to render, but we ended up getting two video clips which were just useless. So always ensure that whenever you're exporting the video, choose this single clip option, so that you will get the desired output.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.